Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. And I laugh because I have like one subscriber, and like I said in my last videos, I'm doing it because it's very therapeutic to me. Welcome to Can't Stop the Hunger, and if I didn't mention it before, my name is Lori, and today is my cheat day. But before I dive into these delicious chicken nuggets with barbecue sauce, that's what I like on my nuggets, barbecue sauce, and I have raspberry seltzer water to drink with it. Before I dive in, I want to say that I weighed myself and I am down since September 1st another 5 pounds, so that makes my total 45 pounds down since April 2nd, and I am so excited. So excuse my hair, I'm in Florida and the humidity here is just, I don't know. You guys have frizzy hair problem? Oh my gosh. It's humid, so my hair is frozen. I have a little bit of a head cold, but I decided to do this outside because it is really beautiful outside, and it's nice, it's warm, it's breezy, and talking about weather, I'm really feel very, very bad for the people in South Carolina and North Carolina with the hurricane that's bearing down on them. Coming from Florida, and I'm going to start indulging in my delicious chicken nuggets. So I live in Florida, and I've been through many hurricanes. We had Irma last year, then there was Wilma, Jean, Francis. I mean, they're not fun. They're extremely scary. I don't live on the coastline. I'm actually about 20 minutes from the beach, so I'm not in that zone. Obviously, people that live right on the beach, like there's a lot of condos here, and I'm sorry for any background noise because I have my mic on, and it's the Blue Yeti, and it's really sensitive, and it picks up a lot of sounds. So like I'm outside, my dogs are walking around, and if you hear any of that, it's annoying, let me know, so I know to change it for next time. But so yeah, like a lot of condos, people live in a lot of condos in this area and a lot of homes on the beach. So they're in the evacuation area where whenever we get, hurricane warning and watches, they've got to leave. I'm thankfully not in that area, close enough to the beach to enjoy it, but not close enough to, be under those scary, like you need to leave like now. However, there have been some hurricanes where my family's been like, are you going to stay? Are you going to go? I mean, I remember during Hurricane Wilma, which was, oh my gosh, I want to say 8 or 9 years ago. Hurricane Wilma, maybe even longer. But we stayed here at my house, and those doors you see back there are new. We had other sliding doors, and we didn't have hurricane shutters up at the time. It's just, now it's a Florida law. When you build a house in Florida, they have to give you hurricane shutters with it. But when we built this house, it wasn't a law, so we didn't have shutters at the time. And those doors during Hurricane Wilma were like actually like bowing in, like ready to cave in. And I remember my husband standing there, and I'm like, dude, if those doors blow in, you're not going to be able to stop that. And you'll have to excuse me, I'm not ever really sure about doing when you do a cheat day or a mukbang. If you guys want to hear less talking, more eating, I don't know because no one's commenting. So please, that barbecue sauce. Please comment, let me know how I'm doing. My lips are bright. I'm wearing Jeffree Star's Velour, a liquid lipstick in watermelon soda. Do you guys like regular mukbang cheat day stuff, or you like ASMR? Eating. I'm gonna have some of my raspberry seltzer water. Raspberry seltzer water. I'm a huge seltzer water fan. So, I mean, I know you have better things to do, but anybody in the area, North Carolina, South Carolina, I know what you're going through. I've been through it. I've lived in Florida for 40 years. And so I've been through it. I know what you're going through. It's scary as hell. Anybody out there live in a dangerous area? Hurricanes, tornadoes. How about like in the middle of the state? Kansas, tornado time. California, earthquakes. Oh my God. It's so scary. Do you want to hear some ASMR? I'm going to pause. I'm going to switch my microphone to do the binaural, and I'll do some. If you don't like it, when I edit this, you can skip over it. So let's try it. Okay, so the ASMR did not work out at all. It sounded horrible. A, because I'm outside. B, they're doing some construction and all you can hear is that. And then my dogs are out here going in and out of the dog door. So that was a failure. I'm not even going to try to edit that. I'm just getting it out of here. Also, give me some input and let me know how it sounds. I need some input, guys. I need some comments. There goes my dog. So, I think the hurricane's supposed to hit Friday. So scary. Us here in Florida, we're not out of the woodwork. September and October are the busiest hurricane months. So, you know, Halloween's my favorite. And I remember Hurricane Wilma came right like the week before Halloween. I was so mad. I was like, no, you're not going to ruin Halloween. It's very stressful when you're watching the news and they're showing the storm coming. Oh my God. It's so stressful. But I hope and pray that everyone is safe if you're affected by this storm. I mean, you lose electricity, there's flooding. Gas is sparse, trying to get groceries, water. Ice, oh my God. Ice is like the hardest thing. Yes, you can make ice at home, but you lose electricity. Unless you have a generator that can run your freezer and all of that, ice is like the hardest commodity to come by. And make sure you have plenty of batteries. And I noticed in my experience that C batteries go really quick because most flashlights take C batteries. I don't have a generator, so when that air goes off, my electricity goes off and you can't run your air, oh damn, it's so hot and it's just so but like you say, you're just thankful that everybody's safe. I'm making a little chicken nugget mountain. I'm making a chicken nugget mountain. Oh! And I'm sorry I keep looking at the monitor because I just want to make sure I don't have food on my face or the lipstick's not all wonky. Who out there is a chicken nugget fan? Do you guys like when the mukbangs, when they do the big bite? I mean, they're like, wow. I haven't done a big bite one yet. Okay, so my dogs are going to join me in their little cheat day. Here, Blade. Blade, sit. That's Blade. Sit. This is Loki. Easy. Oh, he dropped it. Blade, easy. Have to say easy or he'll take my fingers off. Easy, easy, easy. All right. The first doggy. Mukbang. Say goodbye, everybody. There's no more. They're looking for more. So, still hanging out with my dogs. I just wanted to end this by saying thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Comment down below. I haven't gotten any comments yet, but I am going to keep plugging, guys, until I start getting comments. And if you are in the path of Hurricane Florence, please, please, please be safe. I'm right there. I know exactly how you're feeling. Being from Florida, I've been through them, and it sucks. But the most important thing is material things can be replaced, but you can't. So just be safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.